The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hanover, or 7 miles west of Marshfield, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Brockton, Plymouth, Bridgewater, Marshfield, Middleborough, Hingham, Wareham, Situate, Pembroke, Rockland, Abington, Duxbury, Whitman, Hanover, East Bridgewater, Kingston, Carver, Norwell, Henson, and Cohasset. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Plymouth, Massachusetts.